Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You must be signed in as an administrator. This lets you change service settings. First, open settings by pressing Win+I or via Start. Do it now. Once done, navigate to Update and Security or directly to Windows Update. This is where automatic behavior is controlled. Make sure Windows has finished any current update operations before proceeding, because altering settings mid-install can cause issues. If something's pending, pause for one restart so the system is in a stable state. Now click Advanced Options under Windows Update to reveal controls. You can toggle pause updates for a temporary hold, but to get manual control, choose options that notify you before downloading or restarting. For finer control, open Delivery Optimization and adjust peer updates, and set active hours so restarts don't occur when you work. These steps reduce automatic restarts and downloads. They shift responsibility to you. Remember, completely blocking updates can expose you to security risks, so opt for manual with scheduled checks. For full manual control, run services. MSC, press Win+R, type services. MSC, press Enter. Locate Windows Update WiiWaServe, right-click Properties, set Startup Type to Manual or Disabled, then click Stop to halt the service immediately. Once done, restart your PC to ensure changes persist, then open Windows Update and click Check for updates to test. If updates fail or the system behaves oddly, revert to Automatic and restart. That troubleshooting step usually restores normal update behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.